Hey guys, welcome back to Western Slope Bigfoot. I've got something super exciting sitting right here. I wanted to do an unboxing for you guys. This has just got me crazy excited. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but I'm going to open it up and I'm going to show you what it is. And then I'll kind of talk for just a sec here. Here we go. We're gonna open this up. You guys are gonna like what I got. And this is all thanks to some of you viewers on YouTube. And you know who you are, and you're completely amazing. Okay guys, check this out. Watch this. Look at that. That is my new camcorder, crystal clear 4K imagery, night shot. I got to get a shotgun mic for it. $1,200 guys. Woo! $1,200 for this bad boy. And I want to thank again some of the viewers, because the other day I had actually saved up about, I think about $800, $800 or $900, and then one of the couple of viewers donated. One donated about $100 a little while back. And then somebody donated $350. Went out and bought this immediately the other day. Any donations I get, this is the kind of stuff I'm buying so I can get better stuff for you for the field. And I am just ecstatic. Look. Oh my gosh. Watch me drop this son of a bitch on the ground right away, huh? Oh my god. Brand spanking new, guys. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? How do you shut that, I wonder? Oh, I thought that said Zeus. Look at that, guys. It almost says Zeus on the top. But yes, I want to thank those viewers that threw me out a donation of quite a nice amount of money. They have my very high respect, and I want to thank them so much, because that completed my mission to get a better camcorder, to get better video, better imagery, even night shots. And I couldn't be more ecstatic. I'm just really excited about this. But anyways, guys, I hope you like. You're going to see some fabulous videos from here on out. Good, clear stuff. So, thank you so much for watching Western Slope Bigfoot, and thank you to the viewers that donated for me to buy this. You are amazing. You have a great day. Love y'all. Bye-bye.